Okay, so this is A union B. So writing all the elements once without repetition, that is called union of two sets. So this is called union. So I think you understood the point here. See, element should be belongs to one of the sets, either A first set or second set. So whatever the sets may be A and B. So this is one of the important operations on two sets. So let us go for next here. So next operation is okay, let me write it here. So important here, intersection. See, intersection of two sets. So the intersection of two non-empty sets, intersection of two non-empty sets, okay, A and, let me say A and B is denoted by A intersection B and, okay, and defined as, see, A, so intersection is this one. So see, union, this is union, so if you write like this will be what? Symbol of intersection. See, what is the meaning of intersection here? So let me write the definition afterwards. See, observe this. This is another important concept. So let me take the example. So if A is equal to, I will write see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 7, and let me write another one here, 2, 4, 6. Then find, see, A intersection B. So let me consider an example. Afterwards we can write the definition here. See, A set and B set, there are two sets given. So we have to find the intersection. See, intersection means see, intersection means the intersection of two non-empty sets A and B, or whatever the notations we use, that is denoted by A intersection B, and it is defined as, see, intersection means, so once again I am repeating, intersection of two sets means we have to observe carefully what are the elements common in both sets. See, observe this. So see here, 2 is present in, see, both A and B. Okay, so 2 belongs to A and 2 also belongs to B. So ಎರಡು A set ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು B set ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. So ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Then we go for other element, see, 4 belongs to A and also 4 belongs to B. Then what is other element? See, 6 belongs to A and this 6 belongs to B. So this A intersection B means writing the common elements, as we say here, writing the common elements. So that is, we write the elements such that this element, so whatever the elements we write, those should be present both in the first set and, see, second set. See, A and D. And so for union we have used the condition or so it should be in one of the sets, but here not like that. Here for intersection means it should be present in both A and B. See, 2 is present in A and 2 is also present in B. So that's why I can write it common element as 2. Then another common element is what? 4. Then another common element is 6. See here. So this is A intersection B. So writing the common elements, that is nothing but intersection of two sets. So general definition is that element should be present in both A and B. Okay, so union means writing all the elements of the given sets without repetition. Intersection of two sets means writing the common elements, that is called intersection, that is written as the A intersection B. Okay, so these are the two basic important operations of operations on sets, see, union of sets and intersection. Okay, so then let me go for another one here. Difference, see, very important, another important concept, difference of two sets. So difference of two sets. See, if A and B are any two non-empty sets, then the difference of two sets is denoted as, see, A minus B and defined as, okay, how do you define this? See, A minus B. So once again I will leave this space. I will take one example. See, if A is equal to, so I can take, see, 1 2 3 4, then B is equal to 2 4 6 8, okay, write, see, A minus, okay, write A minus B. So observe carefully, these are the important concepts for your next chapters. So basic is very important for you. See, I have considered another concept, difference of two sets. See, difference means generally what we think, difference means what is this, 3 minus 2, that is 1, then 4 minus 6, that is 2, not this difference. Okay, this is subtraction. So difference means here, see, difference means A sets, difference of what? Two sets. So that if A and B are any two non-empty sets, then the difference, see, difference of two sets is denoted by A minus B. So what is the meaning of A minus B? See here, observe this example, afterwards we can go for this. See, if A is equal to 1 2 3 4, okay, so 1 2 3 4, then B is equal to what? 2 4 6, right? A minus B. See here, observe carefully, A minus B. See, I am subtracting second set B from A, okay, so subtracting B from A. So observe carefully. So first let me mark the common elements. Okay, see, what are the common elements here? See, 2 and, okay, 2 and 4. These are the common elements. See, A minus B. So that means, so after marking the common elements in first set, what are the elements left in the first set? You have to write that. So A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1 3. So this is the difference of A and B. See, what is the definition here? General definition. Whatever the elements you are going to write, see, ನೀವು ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, such that ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, see, 1 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 1 belongs to A. See, 1 belongs to A, but 1 does not belongs to B. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬರೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರಬಾರದು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್, ಸಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, 3 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು 3 ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. So in the similar way, say we can write B minus A also. So let me remove this and show it once again. Okay. So if we want to find, see, B minus A, so find A minus B and let me attach this B minus A. So ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ B minus A ಈಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು ನೋಡೋಣ. So ಇದು A minus B. So first element belongs to first set and that element does not belong to second set. So ಈ B minus A ಆದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, B minus A. So let me mark the, so ಈಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 ಇದೆ, then 4 is a common element. See, B, observe the first, see, I am subtracting set A from set B. So that is 2 and 4. So 2 4. So what are the elements left here? See, 6, okay, 6 8. So that means, so we can write B minus A as X such that, see, X belongs to, see, first set B, but that element does not belongs to second set A. Nodi, 6 belongs to B, 6 belongs to B, but 6 does not belongs to A. Nodi, 6 A ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಲ್ಲ. 8 belongs to B, see, 8 belongs to B, but the same element does not belongs to first set. Okay, that's the definition we have written. So this is called difference of two. Nodi, A minus B 1 comma 3, B minus 6 comma 8. So from this we can easily say A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So difference of sets is not commutative. Okay, so these are the operations, simple operations on sets. Okay, this is difference of sets. See, in this class, what are the points we have covered in this session or class? See, operations on sets. See, first of all, we have covered this universal set. Okay, universal set. Then complement of a given set. Okay, complement of a set. See, universal set. Universal set means we consider a fixed set for a particular discussion and and consider some of the subsets. So that fixed set is called universal set. Okay, then complement of the set that is denoted by A dash. So complement of a set can be got by this A dash is nothing but universal set minus A. That is, we remove all the elements of the given set from the universal set. That is called complement of the given set. So if we complement say 2 times, we get back that set once again, and we have operated some of the operations on given sets. That is like A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. Okay, so A union B, and similarly we can find out B union A. So those are the simple properties that we will take up next time. Okay, in this class we have covered all these points. Okay, so you go through this class carefully, and afterwards we shall consider the remaining concepts in the next class.